side, we have this Hei Matau signage cut in 3D, exclusively available at rapid printing signs. It's cut in 3D shape, 50 cm by 70 cm in size, gold vinyl, 3D cut logo, exclusively made for our client. If you want something like this, contact us today. 3D logo, wall art, display, anything you could think of, we can make it happen. As we promise, it will be best for our clients. Exclusively made for Maori. It's called Hei Matau. Signs for prosperity and wealth. Made in 3D. You want anything like this? 3D cut. Contact us today. Any shape, any size. We do it all. Any color. We have lots of different options available, different materials available. You won't find this anywhere else in New Zealand. It's an absolute gem. It can be your wall art, it can be yours. Anything you could think of, let us know. Any custom shape, any custom signs, any custom color. We ship it out all across New Zealand and Australia. We have some of the best clients and architects looking for us in terms of this sort of wall art. Contact us today at Rapid Print and Signs for wall art, anything like this.